Home Decor Hub. In this video we will explore a variety of home garden landscaping ideas that not only enhance the aesthetic but also boost the value of your property. Create a welcoming entrance. Start your landscaping journey at the front of your home. A well-designed entrance sets the tone for your entire property. Plants color, flowers, lay down a charming pathway and add some decorative lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A well-maintained front garden boosts your home decor curb appeal. Play with color and texture. Add vibrancy to your garden by incorporating a variety of plants with different colors and textures. Mix and match pencil, annuals and scrubs to create an ever-changing landscape. Group plants with similar water and sunlight needs to ensure they thrive. Define spaces with hardscape elements. Hardscape elements such as patio decks in your garden. These additions not only look stunning but also provide functional spaces for relaxation and entertainment. Vertical gardens. In space is limited, consider vertical gardening, install wall-mounted plants or create a living green wall to maximize your garden potential. Vertical gardens not only save space but also add an artistic touch to your outdoor area. Embrace native plants. Native plants are not only eco-friendly but also low maintenance. They are adapted to your local climate and soil condition, reducing the needs of excessive watering and fertilization. Incorporating native plants into your garden can also attract local wildlife such as butterflies and birds. Water features. The soothing sound of water can transform your garden into a tranquil treat. Consider adding a fountain pond or even a small stream. Water features not only provide a sense of sensitivity but also attract wildlife, adding to your overall appeal of your own garden.